You may ask me, what makes it so special? The specialty of this course is the course design. First, let me tell you something about the importance of the design. I strongly believe that the design of anything makes the difference in its appearance and performance as well. No doubt, design makes the difference. The design of anything makes it stand out from the rest of its kind. Design is something that decides the success or failure of anything for the purpose it is made. Design is something that gets your attention and causes for your complete focus. Design is something that increases your desire and curiosity as well. And finally, understand that design is something that creates the connections and bonds in between. Let me tell you how I have designed this course. While designing this course, I have particularly taken two things into consideration. Just believe me, I have taken importantly two things into consideration. The first one is what, and the second one is how. What and how, these are the two things that have given focus while designing this particular course. As a teacher, I strongly believe that what I teach is important. But how I teach is more important than what I teach. Because when it comes to the part of teaching and learning, how matters more. That is why I have designed this course in such a way that it is systematic, structured, and simplified. Remember, systematic, structured, and simplified. The systematic approach, structured content, and simplified teaching methods are the important aspects of this particular course design. Let me tell you something about the systematic approach that I have taken while designing this particular course. You can see the course videos in a systematic order throughout, right from the first lesson to the last lesson of the course. You will never get derailed from the main track for whatsoever the reason may be, because that is the way it is designed. Approaching and learning a language in a systematic order will help you get grips of the language in a short span of time and avoid so many possible doubts while you are watching the video lessons. This systematic arrangement of the video lessons will help you maintain a wonderful pace and focus while you watch and learn spoken English. Another important thing is structured content. When you keep on learning lesson by lesson, step by step in a structured manner, it will create a wonderful feeling and effective learning pattern in your mind. This effective learning pattern will help you get programmed to speak in English in a short span of time. That is why the course contents are arranged in a structured manner. One more important aspect of this particular course design is its simplicity. I can confidently say that you can never find any big jargons, unfamiliar words, difficult terms, or bombastic expressions in any lesson throughout the course. You can only find simple words, easy examples, and familiar expressions that you hear and encounter in your day in and day out. Anyone with a little knowledge of English can understand every lesson in clear without any confusion or difficulty in this particular course. Every lesson in this course is simplified, keeping in view of every aspect of effective learning. The course is designed in a simplified manner so that even a layman can follow this course. Even a layman can follow, understand, and learn to speak in English without any difficulty. Connecting to core objectives is very essential when you want to learn something. The important aspect of this particular course design is that it is carefully crafted keeping in view of the core objectives of the learners who want to speak in English fluently and confidently. The main objective of this course is to provide the learners with effective inputs and essential tools to speak in English. Every lesson and example is crafted keeping in view of the main objectives of the learners. Systematic approach, structured course content, simplified methods, connecting to core objectives are some of the important aspects that make this course design different from the rest of its kind.